that I will share few of my New Year resolutions with you all. Been on a date with the most special person of my life. Terrible job at making Szechuan fried rice for the very first time. My brother putting his nose again and again. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, I'm Hansika and wish you all a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. Okay, 2020 had been the worst year for me so far and I have some hopes with 2021. I hope that it brings a lot of good things for all of us. And right now it's 3 p.m. and it's 1st January 2021 today. So I thought that I will vlog today and take you all with me. As this is the first vlog of 2021, I thought that I will share few of my New Year resolutions with you all. My first resolution is to get started with a workout routine because I never try to maintain my health and body. Now I know that few of you will not believe me, but yeah, that's true that I do not take care of my body and health and I want to do that now. So I will start with working out, like I will start with basics and work out for like 15 minutes per day and increase it slowly. My second resolution is to start meditation because I want to reduce negativity around myself and I want to stay focused, and also meditation have a lot of other benefits. So what I will do is I will start with 5 minutes per day and then I will increase the time slowly. My third resolution is kind of a goal that I have set for myself, which I want to achieve by the end of this year. That is, I want to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. I hope that I can achieve it. And that was it. Now I'm going for a date. I'm at a garden on a date with the most special person of my life, and that is none other than my mom. We are here for at least I think an hour and we spent some quality time here, and now we will go at a restaurant to have some delicious food.
महात्मा गांधी जी के जीवन शैली के बारे में यहाँ सब कुछ बताया है.
Yes guys, let me show you. Yesterday when we came back home, and also to this morning because I was busy helping out my mom to complete an urgent order, and I think we did an amazing job. I will show you all some clips of exactly what we have made. I have planned to make a transition video for Instagram Reel, and this is actually going to be my first reel on my brand new account. I will link my new account in the description box below, so do check that out, and if you like the content then please do follow me there. And now I will arrange all the accessories, shoot the reel and then come back to you all. And now today I am going to make dinner. मैंने शेजवान फ्राइड राइस सोच रखा है, but let's see what all ingredients are available and then we will make. So I have chopped everything available: capsicum, onion, paneer, and I will be adding some soya bean also. I don't like it, but I'm adding for my brother. Don't judge me on this guys, but I'm using this ready-made ginger garlic paste for the very first time. And I will be adding some tomato ketchup, soya sauce and Szechuan chutney. Now please don't judge my cooking skills on how it looks, because it tastes good. So I just finished my dinner and me and my brother made a terrible job at making Szechuan fried rice for the very first time. We made a disaster. मतलब वो शेजवान फ्राइड राइस तो बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा था, कुछ और ही बन गया था. एंड टू द टॉप ऑफ इट मैंने पिंक फूड कलरिंग ऐड कर दी रेड समझ के, एंड एज यू कैन सी ये अब मेरे हाथ पे से भी नहीं जा रहा है. एंड मेरा भाई किचन में इतनी गड़बड़ कर रहा था कि मैंने गलती से ज़्यादा नमक ऐड कर दिया. मेरी मम्मी ना हमेशा बोलती है कि कुकिंग करते वक्त ना किचन में और कोई नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो क्या करना है वो उमजता नहीं है. एंड टुडे आई फेल्ट दैट बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्रदर पुटिंग हिज नोज अगेन एंड अगेन ड्यूरिंग द होल प्रोसेस. बट एनीवेज इट वॉज टेस्टिंग बेटर जस्ट बिकॉज इट हैड कैप्सिकम एंड पनीर इन इट. और आज मम्मी भी नहीं थी हेल्प करने के लिए बिकॉज मम्मी बहुत थक गई थी. वी डिड अ टेरिबल जॉब एट कुकिंग. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.